Good morning, everyone. Happy and blessed Sunday to all of you. This is Miss Jamie Baliana channel. Wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and happiness. Good morning, guys. This is Miss Jamie, and this is my grassroots. This is my grassroot. Ang laki na ng grassroot namin. Ayan, oh. Nabili lang namin yan sa Shopee. Wala pa yung buhok. Pero ngayon, meron na siyang buhok. Ayan, ang lago-lago na ng buhok ni grassroot. Alright, grassroot. Good morning to you also. Good morning na si grassroot. Saka mag-end na pa ako ng live. Salamat po. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tumambay sa akin kagabi. Sa aking live stream. Sana po pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at gabayan kayo sa kung ano man, saan man kayo ngayon. Pagpalain kayo ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Alright, thank you so much everyone. I wish you a blessed Sunday filled with love, joy, and happiness. All right. Thank you so